Sound quality. This is one of the most crucial things when you're making videos or podcasts in any social platform. It is what helps you to interact with your audience. Most people can withstand poor video quality but cannot withstand poor audio at all. As a starting creator like me, you should look for ways to make your audio great without the need of using much resources like money. The first thing to consider is a good sound recorder that records many formats of sound. For example, MP3, WAV, and many more, and which can record mono or stereo outputs for free. The best choice in this category is the RecForge 2, which can be downloaded from the Play Store for free. It has a user-friendly interface which is easy to navigate. This app can record audio and save it in the most common audio outputs available. It also records in mono and stereo formats as well. The app has noise reduction, which reduces surrounding noise without reducing sound quality, acoustic echo remover, which removes the echoes in the sound if you are in a poor soundproof room or outside, and auto gain control, which amplifies your sound if it's low or if you're recording a person from far. It is also interesting to look at your recording because of the nice interface and colors they have used. If you have a nice place to record, you might not even need a microphone because you'll have quite good sound quality. A microphone is very important for sound recording. As a starter, a lapel microphone is one of the best options to go for. This is because they are relatively cheaper than the studio microphones. They are also closer to your mouth and in return records good quality and minimizes noise in the output sound. Personally, I use the Boya M1 Lavalier Microphone, which has good sound quality. As you can hear right now, it's the one I'm using. The mic has a 6-meter cable, which enables you even to record sound from a distance from your phone or even your camera. The mic is not expensive and is available in shops like Amazon and more. If you have these two, you're good to go. All the best as you make your sound quality upgrade. Thanks for watching. I'm Oshira. Subscribe and let's meet in my next video. Peace.